Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update earthquake risk using USGS tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the USGS website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type Earthquake Risk Assessment Tools into the search bar and hit enter. Look for links to tools related to earthquake risk assessment in the search results. Click on the link for Earthquake Hazards Program. Explore the page to identify the various tools available, such as the hazard map or the national earthquake maps. Choose the most relevant tool based on your specific needs. Once you've selected a tool, read the descriptions to understand its features and capabilities. If applicable, download any necessary software or datasets as indicated on the tools page. Follow the provided guidelines for installing any tools if required. Once installation is complete, open the tool and familiarize yourself with its interface. Begin a new project by selecting the option to create a new assessment. Input your geographic area of interest, such as a specific city or region. Adjust the parameters based on local factors, such as population density and building types. Utilize the visualization options to assess potential earthquake scenarios. Review the risk analysis results, paying close attention to the hazard levels indicated. If necessary, refine your input data to obtain more accurate forecasts. Take detailed notes on the findings, focusing on the implications for safety and preparedness. Save your project using an appropriate file format for future reference. Consider sharing your results with local authorities or community organizations. Finally, revisit the USGS website regularly for updates on tools and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.